Let's see what the process need to follow while performing pull operation in case of abapGit in case and in the main case of sub packages while you're maintaining packages in that package any sub package contains what the process need to be follow we'll see now in the practical. First, you need to go to the trans.c21 transaction. Let's see what are the packages and the packages content. This is the package name which I'm maintaining, and it contains the package like gmdd underscore webkit code sub underscore sub. It contains some developments as well. Let's see the what are the development it contains. Go to the transaction sc03. If you go to the sub package, first you will see the package it contains development. It contains these are the development object. It's a main sub package it contains. Let's see now sub package what are the development object it contains. Gmdg underscore sub package this one. Which it contains one development object. Gmdg underscore abapkit underscore sub dot prg. It's a program. Let's see how to perform in the abapkit. Go to the transactions plus n gmdg underscore abapkit. Let's create new online to the repository URL, GitHub repository URL, and main package name and not required. And coming to folder logic, you must understand what is the prefix full and mix. Prefix it will take starting two letters of the package what you are mentioning, and coming to full, it take overall the package name what you have defined, what you are trying to push. The whole package name will be taken. It will discuss if we see technically how it will perform at the end. Coming to mix, it will take first two letters of the package of your package name and last two letters of the package name so that it will get mixed up with the different names and display name as usual. Rest we need to give the name, and if you don't want to push any sub package also it's your choice. You can choose and check this option, then it will perform only packages. The main package what the development objects are up there in the main package it's only going to push. If you are not selecting any what are the objects which are contained in the sub package, yeah, those also it's going to push them. Create on create Click on create online repo. Sorry, I was selected wrong thing. I will be selecting over full here so that I can see the total name of my package and as well as the package while in GitHub repository after total push or pull was done. So I am now performing push operation only. Create online repo. Need to pass the token. Here are the development object it cost reflected. What are the development object? Now I am going to push these items to GitHub repository. Click on stage. Click on add all commit. Let's find what are the operations we are performing. Package and sub package push. Commit. Click on commit. We can see here the message local state completely matches the remote repository. That means in our SAP logon and GitHub repository, what we had done push, both objects are up in the same state. Let's go to the GitHub repository. We'll see whether the how the package and the package got stored. Just refresh this tab. Here you can see it got successfully pushed. What are the message name which you passed that got reflected over here. This is the source folder. That means in source folder it contains only main package development objects. Here you can see this is the sub package as we discussed like before the folder logic. If you are selecting the prefix, it's going to show only like gmdg. It will not going to say the full name. If you select the folder logic as mixed up, it will show gmdg and sub. These two words only it's going to show. What are the gmdg and sub in case of mix? Choosing of mix. If you select the folder logic as full, it's going to show the entire name so that you can come to know what are the sub package you're giving. It's your choice of understanding the remembering of your sub package names. You just choose prefix, full or mix. It's your choice. As of now, to state the full name, I selected the full so that it got total reflected package name. If you go to the package name, it will be containing as one development object. That is the program which I shown earlier. This is the process of doing package and main sub package. What are the folder logic need to be maintained? What are the process need to be followed in case of sub package, so that it will be look bright thing like remembering of things very easily based on your selection like full or else prefix or mix. This video is about like what are the sub package need to process need to be followed. Main target is the folder logic to between the mentioning of the folder logic between the packages. Thank you.